7 minutes. That's all this takes. Do this every single morning, 7 days in a row, and your stomach will look noticeably flatter than it does right now. No gym, no equipment, no wasted time. Save this video now. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 5 exercises. Same order every time. Depending on your weight and how hard you push, one round of this session burns approximately 100 to 150 calories. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Press that back down. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. 15 seconds. Next, reverse crunch. Exercise 2 of 5. Reverse crunch, lower abs. 3, 2, 1, go. Control going down. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. 15 seconds. Next, standing oblique crunch. Exercise 3 of 5. Standing oblique crunch obliques. 3, 2, 1, go. Squeeze each side. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. 15 seconds. Next, plank hip dip. Exercise 4 of 5. Plank hip dip full core. 3, 2, 1, go. Keep those hips moving. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. 15 seconds. Next, high knees. Exercise 5 of 5. High knees cardio. 3, 2, 1, go. Drive those knees up. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Three, 2, 1, let's go. 5 exercises. Complete. If you completed 2 rounds of this session, that's approximately 200 to 300 calories burned from 14 minutes of work on your living room floor. Subscribe. Next week, we're dropping the 14-day progression that builds directly on this routine. Save this video now, same time tomorrow. Your strongest self starts here.